I've been researching the job boards for days and I found four entry level remote jobs that you can apply right now that are always hiring. And the coolest part about these job opportunities is you don't need college degrees, you need little to no experience, and you can earn up to 420 pesos per hour just starting out. And today I'm going to show you how and where to find these entry level jobs so you can find them too. And if you like this type of content, gently tap that like button and let's get into it. All right, first job board will be jobstreet.com. And all you need to do is type ph.jobstreet.com and you'll see this interface. What you need to do is type in entry level, no experience required. So you can find out once you hit search, it should give you the option. And I just found the second one, which is a junior loans processor, entry level, and it says training is provided and it's work from home. This is perfect for you if you want to work from home. So this job pays 25,000 to 35,000 pesos per month. So this company is an Australian-based mortgage brokerage supporting working professionals with residential lending solutions. And their focus is structured lending strategy, credit advice, and long-term portfolio planning. So what they're looking for is a junior loans processor to support the team with administrative and loan processing tasks. And they said that full training provided to help you develop the skills required for the role. So it's a good opportunity for you to learn. If you don't have any experience, this would be the best time to apply for this job. Now, if you have a strong attention to detail, high accuracy and data entry, and clear written and verbal communication skills, and you should be organized, dependable, and comfortable working within structured processes. And also, they said that a positive attitude and willingness to learn is essential to be part of their team. So, if you have that qualities, then you can go ahead and process the application. And they said, due to the high level of interest in mortgage industry roles and the volume of applications they receive, shortlisted candidates will be asked to submit a short 3-minute video introducing yourself before being interviewed by them. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you have to make a 3-minute video. I did this before where I did apply for email support. It's actually a 2-minute video that I did. I was able to get into the job. You just have to rehearse recording yourself. And the key responsibilities that you're going to be doing once you're in the job are order property valuations, organize and file client documents accurately, assist with loan pricing requests and administrative support tasks, upload and maintain documentation within internal systems, work closely with the team to ensure timely and accurate file progression. And you should have at least strong written and verbal English communication skills. Most of the Filipinos right now do have that skills. So if you do have that basic skills, you are very qualified for this job. Also, if you have high attention to detail, particularly in data entry and organization. So these are the essential requirements that you must have. And nice to have for this company so you have higher chances of getting accepted. At least you have prior experience in accounting, banking, finance, or administrative roles. If you do have those experience, you have a higher chance of getting hired. They said that the perks and benefits they're going to be getting once you are in, of course, 13-month pay, 20 days combined paid annual and sick leave, paid Australian public holidays. So you're going to be following the holidays of Australia, and a premium pay for Philippine public holidays as applicable. So you're also going to be following Philippine public holidays. And they are also giving you government mandated benefits such as SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. And the other one is HMO, which is most of the Filipino really wants to have the benefits. So most of the Filipinos that are applying for the job are always looking for the HMO benefits because of how bad our healthcare system right now. So I do understand some of the people are going to be looking for jobs that has HMO benefits, and they are also going to be giving you plus one dependent. I believe usually when you are hired, at least after 6 months, you're going to be given a chance to have plus one dependent on your HMO. And this is a full-time work from home setup. And the best thing about this job is that they're going to be providing you with a laptop. Yes. Once you're hired, they're going to send you a laptop so you can work from home. You don't have to worry about buying a new laptop. if you don't have one. The best thing about this job is it's a day shift because it's going to be aligned with Australian business hours. So if you're interested about this job, go ahead and type jobstreet.com on your browser and then type in entry level, no experience required, and then look for junior loans processor entry level. All right, our second job is the entry level admin assistant, associate account manager. If you are a fresh graduate or you don't have any experience, this is going to be perfect for you. And the salary for this job is around 55,000 pesos every month. And this is a full time work. You're going to be working 40 hours a week with this job. And this was just posted March 20th, 2026. So about this company. The company is called StoryGen, is a rapidly scaling B2B lead generation agency focused on building and operating outbound sales teams for clients. They specialize in cold calling powered by strong system automations and AI. And this is a great entry point for someone who's curious about sales, who enjoys working with systems, and thrives in structured, fast moving environment. And prior experience in account management isn't required. They are more interested in how quickly you learn. So basically, if you're a fast learner and you solve problems, that's a very good thing to have. And if you do take initiative, I usually try to think about step by step on how I can solve the problem. That's why right now I have a stable job working from home because I take initiative every time I see a problem. I try to solve it as fast as possible without my client telling me to solve it. So that's a good thing to have if you do take initiative and try to solve the problem on your own. And if you're interested with this job, they do have an assessment for all the applicants. If you're interested, you have to submit your resume, internet speed test result, and audio recording here. So what you'll be working on once you're in the job, you're going to be setting up cold calling campaigns, draft and refine messaging for calls and follow-ups, participate in onboarding and weekly client calls, document key takeaways and action items, maintain and organize client materials, coordinate with BDRs to ensure campaign alignment and clarity, monitor weekly metrics, assist in preparing client reports and updates, leverage AI tools to improve efficiency in writing, summaries, and admin tasks, troubleshoot issues, or set up across tools like Nux, HubSpot, and similar platforms. Now, if you're worried about any of the tools I mentioned, you can actually look them up on YouTube and learn from it. I believe you can learn this tools within a day if you just watch YouTube. But then again, this company doesn't need any prior experience, so you can just go ahead and apply and learn these tools inside the job. So you're going to be trained and paid at the same time. So it's going to be a win-win situation for you if you do get the job. So what they're looking for are people who has strong communication and writing skills, genuine interest in sales and outbound strategy. If you're a call center agent, you do have this experience, which is sales and outbound strategy. Also, if you're comfortable with technology and quick to learn new tools. So if you're familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT or willing to learn quickly. Learning ChatGPT is so easy. You don't need to be very smart to learn ChatGPT, but you do need to have initiative on things. That way, when you are trying to learn stuff, you're going to be able to learn it as fast as you can if you do have initiative. And you should be highly organized with strong attention to detail. This is one thing that always clients are looking for. You do have high attention to detail because any mistakes that you're going to be making if you're working in a company is going to cost them money. So if you have less mistakes on stuffs like the writing, the report and stuff like that, it's going to make the company run smoothly if you don't have a lot of mistakes. So having high attention to detail is really important in a business. And if you're able to follow structured processes while staying adaptable, dependable, resourceful, and comfortable coordinating across multiple teams and willingness to grow mindset, you're gonna go places. If you do have this mindset. If you're always thinking about learning every day, your salary is just gonna go up. Their work schedule is from Monday to Friday. So if you are tired of working Saturday and Sundays on a call center, this is the best time for you to apply for this job. Although it's still night, you're okay working at night. It's gonna be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. So that's gonna be 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're still willing to work graveyard shift, but you are not willing to work any weekends anymore because you have plans for weekends, so this is the best job to apply right now if you want to have a day off on Saturdays and Sundays. And for the compensation, it said here that your starting salary is going to be $1,000 every month. So that's going to be around 55,000 pesos every month. And this is fully remote setup. So you don't have to travel to work as a call center agent. That's one thing that I hated most, is traveling from home to work, especially at night. And you're going to be having hands-on training in outbound sales, account management, and AI tools. So you're going to be paid and be trained at the same time. You're going to have clear progression path, associate, account manager, senior account manager. What they're saying is that you have a higher chance of getting promoted as soon as possible if you are a quick learner, and opportunities to grow into strategic or client facing roles. And I believe once you are transferred to a client facing role, it's going to be really, really good for you. Your salary is just going to skyrocket, because right now our company has what we call CSM, or client success manager, and they're getting paid a lot right now. Once you are in this company and you're gonna get promoted to be a CSM. I believe that's what they call it there. I don't know, but any client facing role has a high salary. That's all I can say. Now, if you're thinking, Aaron, I know these jobs are really, really good and I want to apply, but I'm still afraid. I don't even have my resume. I don't know what to train. I don't know anything about becoming a VA or working remotely. Then go ahead and download my VA free starter kit. Link is in the description in the pinned comment below. This will give you the tools that you need, a template for your resume, especially if you're a call center agent wanting to transition to becoming a VA. I have the template on that starter kit for you. I've listed down 10 companies with links where you can apply them right now. They're always hiring, so you can go ahead and click on the company that you want to apply and you'll be able to land a job as soon as possible. The training plan is also included on that starter kit. So if you're willing to learn within a week or two, I have prepared something special there for you to learn becoming a VA as fast as possible. So again, link is in the description in the pinned comment below. If you're willing to transition from a call center agent to being a VA, then go ahead and download that right now. Now back to our third list, which is from Indeed.com. And this job role is called entry level sales callers. This is especially good if your background is from a call center. Even if you don't have any experience, this is a good job to start right now. And the pay is $4 per hour. This company is called SnappyCX. It's a recruitment company hiring on behalf of clients specializing in the sales of toner and copy paper. As the company expands its operations, they are looking for motivated and dynamic sales callers to join the remote team. So if you have excellent communication skills, then you do have a high chance of getting hired from this work. Once you're in, you're going to become a sales caller. You'll be responsible for making outbound sales calls, building a relationship with potential customers, and driving sales growth. You will work in collaborative remote team environment, contributing to the expansion of the company's customer base. This is a fantastic opportunity for individuals who are enthusiastic, self-driven, and committed to achieving results. One of the responsibilities that you're going to be doing on this job is you're going to be conducting outbound sales calls using Ring Central. Ring Central is just an app where you're going to be using to make phone calls, and you're going to be building and maintaining relationships with new and existing clients. You're going to be engaging customers in meaningful conversations, identify their needs, and offer appropriate solutions. And you're going to be demonstrating a strong understanding of company's products and services. Record client interactions and sales activities using HubSpot. HubSpot is a web browser tool where it's going to be tracking your work every single hour so that you're going to be paid accordingly. And you're going to be collaborating with team via Zoom, staying engaged throughout the workday. You're going to be meeting and exceeding sales targets. So basically, you're going to be contributing to the overall success of the sales team. If you're a sales agent, you're actually going to be getting a lot of incentives if you do have a lot of sales. That's just how it works. And the key attributes that you're going to have or must have to be able to get a chance to be hired for this role, you should have excellent verbal communication skills in English, of course. That's first thing, because you're going to be talking to first world English countries. You must have excellent verbal communication skills in English, because you're going to be talking a lot by a phone. You're going to be persuading people to buy stuff because you're going to be selling. So that's just how it is. And you should be friendly, engaging, and able to quickly build rapport with potential clients. This is one of the things that you should have if you're a sales agent. Once you get to know how everything works in a company, you'll be able to build rapport as soon as possible with clients. And you should be confident, motivated, and enthusiastic about achieving sales goals. So if you do have these attributes, then go ahead and apply now on this company. It's called Indeed.com, and all you have to do is type in entry level sales colors. It's gonna sell you. It's $4 per hour. You can also find other entry level jobs here if you want to. But then again, if this job piques your interest, go ahead and apply on this job. Now, our last and final job board is Cyberbacker. And Cyberbacker is a company that hires general VAs, and they're going to be giving you a lot of options once you are hired. They have voice if you're interested in still talking on the phone. They have sales, growth backer sales, appointment setter, bilingual Spanish. By the way, this bilingual Spanish backer, it pays a lot of money if you do know how to speak Spanish. They have concierge backer, cyber recruiter, productivity backer, AI service delivery specialist, inbound sales agent, and this is for the voice. Basically, you're going to be talking on the phone. If you like that type of job, go ahead and apply. If you like talking on the phone, they have that option for you. And if you're the type of person who doesn't want to talk to people on the phone anymore, or you're just tired of talking to people for years or months in a call center agent, they also have non-voice accounts. They have graphics backer, social media backers, SEO backer, transaction backer, video editor, DevOps, web developer, software backer, mortgage, concrete quantity takeoff estimator, and stuff like that. They have a lot of options for you if you don't want to talk over the phone. They also have something for people who wants a mix of both. You want to talk to people on the phone, but not all the time. They have mix. They have bookkeeper, cyber backer, data analyst, lead backer, listing backer, marketing backer, and property management. So if you are interested in applying for this job, you can go ahead and click on apply now on their website. Their website, by the way, is called cyberbackercareers.com. Go ahead and type that in there, and you'll be able to apply for this job. Now, all you have to do is just read the things that they're going to be looking for. Like just an example, they're looking for strong communication and people skills, confidence, and adaptable. You have a goal driven mindset. They have competitive income and unlimited potential for growth. So if you have any of these traits, you can go ahead and apply. This is really good if you want to start working from home. So you can go ahead and apply. So I'll just click apply, and then I'll put in the email. It's an example, and then you just have to read their non-disclosure agreement. Once you do that, you continue application and just input your first name, middle name, last name, your email, your nationality, your phone number, address, your birthday. If you have any social media links, you can go ahead and tap that in there. And where did you hear about Cyberbacker? You can go ahead and click that. And the positions that you want to choose. So you can choose up to 3 positions. And like I said earlier, I have shown you the option. If you want being on the phone, you can choose any of this. If you don't want to be on the phone, you can choose any of this. But if you want mix of both, you can go ahead and choose any of this. So you can go ahead and click up to 3 here. So there you have it, 4 jobs that I was able to find that you can apply right now even if you don't have any experience. And again, if you do want help in learning how to become a VA in a week or two, go ahead and download my free VA starter kit. Link is in the description and the pinned comment below. This is going to give you template for your resume, 10 links where you can find jobs right now that are always hiring, and a weekly plan where you can learn and become a VA as soon as possible. So go ahead and download that right now. Link is in the description and the pinned comment below. Now, if you like this type of content and you want me to keep doing this type of content in the future, go ahead and subscribe right now so I can make this type of content in the future. And I'll see you on the next one.